Top 6. Best butane torches. However, when it's time to choose the right butane torches, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best butane torches on the market today, so if you're interested in what butane torches will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best overall. Sondico Store Butane Torch. If you are looking for reliable butane torch, then Sondico Store is one of the trustworthy brands you can invest in. Their butane torch can be used for a wide range of applications that include caramelizing sugar, glazing baked ham, roasting bell peppers, crafts, welding, jewelry making, and several others. This butane torch is equipped with piezo technology, which provides efficient and easy torching at any angle. It has an adjustable temperature for controlling the flame outflow. Number 2. Runner-up. SearPro Multi-Use Cooking Torch.
Introducing SearPro Flamethrower, the right tool for the perfect sear on steak that lets you create the finish you want without overcooking or changing the doneness of the meat. SearPro isn't just the perfect tool for your kitchen, it's perfect for charcoal grills, finishing burgers, desserts, and starting campfires in any weather. SearPro creates the most powerful flame on the market, portable and ready to use when you need it. It's a game changer. Get the perfect sear every time. SearPro Flamethrower. Finish strong.
Number 3. Best budget. Gibbet Blow Torch Lighter. If you're not quite ready to make the investment on this kitchen purchase, it's a great idea to start with this affordable model. Try it out on a homemade creme brulee or try torching a few marshmallows to get comfortable with the torch. This model is on the smaller side, so you don't have to worry about any excessively huge flames that could be intimidating for your first go around. The canister holds about 8 to 10 grams of butane, and when it's all out, you'll need to refill it. Even though the torch itself is just shy of 5 inches, it can still churn out a flame as long as 6 inches. If you plan to use this for big batch torching, you may find it cumbersome to continuously refill the comparatively small canister, but this would be great for a kitchen torching novice. Number 4. Best with Soldering Kit. Dremel 2200 to 2001 VersaFlame Butane Torch. With its low price tag and accessories that give it a wide range of applications, this butane torch from Dremel is an excellent value. It features a self-ignition button for easy startup, a lock that keeps the flame running for longer soldering or brazing jobs, and a knob that controls flame size and temperature. The torch's large tank capacity allows for run times of up to 75 minutes. With its small size, it measures just 13 inches long and weighs less than 2 pounds. This Dremel model is easy to handle. It also includes a 9-piece accessory kit that comes with a flame diffuser, blower, soldering tip, and other handy tools. The torch and accessories fit neatly into a carrying case for easy transport. Number 5. Best for creme brulee. Your kitchen butane torch with fuel gauge. Number 6. Power Probe Micro Butane Torch.
Easily from a 1/2 inch to 2.5 inches, reaching temperatures up to 2,500 degrees. The kit includes adapters and attachments, which quickly convert this microtorch into a powerful heating and soldering tool. To use the microtorch for the first time, simply fill the torch with butane. Ensure the gas control lever is fully closed and the igniter's safety switch is in the lock position. Insert the butane container nozzle vertically into the filling valve and hold for 5 seconds. Then remove the nozzle. To ignite the microtorch, first be sure that the air holes on the air control sleeve are fully open. Move the igniter safety switch up. Open the gas control lever until you hear gas escaping. Now, press the ignition button to ignite the flame. The flame size can be adjusted by turning the gas control lever up or down. The air control sleeve will fine-tune the flame intensity. When using the heat blower on shrink tubing for wire harness repair, use the deflector to protect neighboring wires. The microtorch also provides flameless heat when using accessories. Here's how it works. Inside the flameless tip adapter, you will see the porcelain element. Install the flameless tip adapter to the microtorch and tighten.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.